Dear friends, in last class we have discussed about problems solved on properties of determinants. In today's class also continuing that problems. Now example one more, using the properties of determinants and without expanding, prove that delta is equal to 0 a minus b minus a 0 minus c b c 0 equal to 0. This determinant is 0. Prove it. Proof let delta is equal to determinant of 0a minus b minus a 0 minus c b c 0. So now multiplying and dividing by multiplying and dividing by c from R1. Therefore delta is equal to 1 divided by c, taking outside 0 into c 0, a into c ac minus b into c bc. Second row elements minus a 0 minus c. Third row elements b c 0. So now by applying operation R1 changes R1 minus b R2. Apply this operation. Therefore delta is equal to 1 divided by c, determinant of R1 0 minus a into minus b becomes plus ab. The next ac minus b into 0 ac minus bc minus into minus plus bc gets cancellation 0. Second row elements minus a 0 minus c. Third row elements bc 0. The next, taking a common from R1, taking common from R1. Therefore delta is equal to 1 by c into a, determinant of b c 0 minus a 0 minus c b c 0. So look here, in this determinant first row elements and third row elements are same. Therefore this determinant value is 0. Therefore 1 divided by c into a into 0, since or by property 3, using property 3. So therefore delta is equal to 0. The given determinant value is 0. The next one more example. Using the properties of determinants, prove that, here no without expanding, with expanding, prove that determinant of minus a square ab ac, second row elements ba minus b square bc, third row element ca cb minus c square is equal to 4a square b square c square. Let delta is equal to the given determinant, that is delta. Delta is determinant of minus a square ab ac ba minus bc, sorry, b square bc ca cb minus c square. Here taking common a from C1, B from C2 and C from C3. The next, therefore delta is equal to A into B into C, common factors, column 1, column 2 and column 3 becomes here first column elements A, B, C, second column B from C2 it is A minus B, the next C from C3, so I get A, B minus C. Again taking common A from R1, B from R2 and C from R3. Therefore delta is equal to A, B, C, again common from row A, from second row B and from third row C, A, B, C, determinant of minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1. So we get the determinant. The next to delta is equal to ABC into ABC becomes A square B square into C square into minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1. By using operation or applying operation, R2 changes to R2 minus R1. At the same time, one more operation, R3 becomes R3 minus R1. Therefore, delta is equal to A square, B square, C square First row minus 1, 1, 1. Second row 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 1 becomes minus 2. 1 minus 1, 0. R3 minus R1, it is 1 minus of minus plus 2 minus of minus plus. So here operation R2 plus R1, R3 plus R1. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, that is also a 0. 1 plus 1, 2. R3 plus R1, 1 minus 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. Therefore, delta is equal to a square plus a square into b square into c square. Expand this determinant, expanding along a first row minus 1 into 0 minus 4 minus 1, 0 minus 0 plus 1, 0 minus 0. Therefore, delta equals a square, b square, c square. Minus 1 into minus 4 becomes plus 4. It is 1, 0. Here also term 0. Therefore, delta is equal to 4 a square, b square, c square. Hence it is true. The next one more example, properties of determinants. Prove that, example 3, prove that determinant of x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4, 2x, third row elements also 2x, 2x, x plus 4 equals 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x. Through this, so let delta is equal to determinant of x plus 4, 2x, 2x, again second row 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4. Now applying operation, row operation or column operation. So row operation, C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3 by using column operation. Therefore, delta is equal to determinant of x plus 4 plus 2x plus 2x becomes 5x plus 4, 2x plus x, 3x plus 2x, 5x plus 4. Third element also 2x plus 2x, 4x, 4x plus 1x, 5x plus 4. So first column becomes 5x plus 4. The next second column write as it is elements 2x, x plus 4, 2x. Then third column elements write as it is 2x, 2x, x plus 4. Taking common factor 5x plus 4 from C1. Taking common 5x plus 4 from C1, therefore delta is equal to 5x plus 4. Determinant of first column becomes 1 1 1 elements, second column 2x, x plus 4, 2x, third column also 2x, 2x, x plus 4. The next, again applying operations. R2 changes R2 minus R1 and R3 changes R3 minus R1. Therefore delta is equal to 5x plus 4, determinant of 1, 2x, 2x. Second row, R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1, 0, R2 x plus 4, R1 2x, x minus 2x becomes minus x plus 4, 2x minus 2x becomes 0. The next R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1, 0, 2x minus 2x also 0, x plus 4 minus 2x minus x plus 4. The next, therefore delta is equal to 5x plus 4. Here becomes below the principal diagonal elements are 0, product the diagonal elements. That means 1 into minus x plus 4 into minus x plus 4. Therefore delta is equal to 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x into 4 minus x. Therefore delta is equal to 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square. 4 minus x whole square. It is hence it is proved. The next example, prove that the determinant of y plus k, y plus k, y plus k is equal to 3y plus k into k square. So prove this. Proof, let delta is equal to determinant of y plus k, y plus k, y plus k. Here also applying either row or column operation. So here row operation R1 changes R1 place R2 place R3. R1 becomes R1 place R2 place R3. Therefore, delta is equal to determinant of y plus k plus y becomes 3y plus k. Y plus k so here 3y plus k 3y y plus k plus y becomes 3y plus k y plus y 3y plus k y plus k, that is also 3y plus k. Second row elements write as it is y plus k y. Third row elements also write as it is y plus k. Taking common 3y plus k from R1. Taking common 3y plus k from R1. Therefore, delta is equal to 3y plus k determinant of 1 y plus k y plus k. The next, delta is equal to 3y plus k. Now, applying operation C2 changes C2 minus C1 and C3 changes C3 minus C1. Therefore, delta is equal to 3y plus k. Determinant of first column 1 y. Second column C2 minus C1 0. Y plus k minus y becomes k. Y minus y 0. C3 minus C1 1 minus 1 0. Y minus y 0. Y plus k minus y cancellation k. Therefore, delta is equal to 3y plus k into expand this determinant expansion along a first row or a principal diagonal elements or zeros. So product these principal diagonal elements 1 into k into k. Therefore, delta is equal to 3y plus k into k square, or delta is equal to 3y plus k into k square. Hence, it is true. The next one more example. Example 5. Prove that determinant of x plus y plus 2z x x, y, z, y plus x plus 2y, y, third row element zx, y plus z plus x plus 2y. Here y plus x plus 2z, x plus y plus 2z, y plus z y plus z plus 2x equals 2a2 into x plus y plus z whole square. So let delta is equal to, delta means given determinant, x plus y plus 2z, x, y, z, y plus z plus 2x, y, z, x, z plus x plus 2y. Now applying operation C, column operation, C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Therefore delta is equal to determinant of C1 is x plus y plus 2z plus x plus y plus x plus x plus 2x plus y becomes 2y plus 2z, z plus z 2, z plus z 2z, y plus y 2y plus 2x, that is also 2x plus 2y plus 2z, z plus z 2z, x plus x 2x plus 2y, 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Second elements as it is x, y plus z plus 2x, x, y, y, z plus x plus 2y. Taking common factor from C1, 2x plus 2y plus 2z, taking common 2x plus 2y plus 2z from column 1. Therefore delta is equal to 2x plus 2y plus 2z, determinant of 1 1 1, x, y plus z plus 2x, x, y, y, z plus x plus 2y. The next step, delta is equal to 2x plus 2y plus 2z, take common 2, x plus y plus z, determinant of 1 1 1, x, y, y plus z plus 2x, y, x, z plus x plus 2y. Now again applying operation, R2 becomes R2 minus R1 and R3 becomes R3 minus R1. Therefore delta is equal to 2 into x plus y plus z, determinant of 1 x y, 1 minus 1 or 2 minus or 1, that is 1 minus 1 0, y plus x plus 2x minus x becomes y plus z plus x, y minus y 0 or 3 minus or 1, that is 1 minus 1 0, x minus x 0, z plus x plus 2y minus y, that is z plus x plus y. So therefore delta equals 2 into x plus y plus z. In this determinant, principal diagonal elements below 0, product the diagonal elements, that is 1 into y plus z plus x into z plus x plus y. So therefore delta is equal to 2 into x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z. Therefore delta is equal to 2 into x plus z, x plus y plus z whole cube. Hence it is proved. The next example, solve the equation determinant of x plus a xx x plus a x xx x plus a is equal to 0 comma a is not equal to 0. Let delta is equal to determinant of x plus a x x plus a x plus a. This determinant value is 0. Solve the equation. So applying operation, C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Therefore delta is equal to x plus a plus x plus x, 3x plus a, x plus a plus x also 3x plus a, x plus x plus a becomes, that is also a, 3x plus a. Second column elements x plus a, x plus a. In this determinant, first column elements are same, taking common factor, common 3x plus a from C1. Therefore delta is equal to 3x plus a, determinant of 1 1 1 x x plus a x plus a. Now again applying operation, R2 changes R2 minus R1 and R3 changes R3 minus R1. Therefore delta equals 3x plus a, determinant of R1 as it is 1x x, R2 minus R1 0, x plus a minus x becomes a, x minus x 0, R3 minus R1 0, x minus x 0, x plus a minus becomes a. So therefore delta is equal to 3x plus a. Here also the principal diagonal elements below the elements are zeros. Product the principal diagonal elements 1 into a. Therefore delta is equal to 3x plus a into a square. So delta is 0. The determinant of 0 given, that is in problem. 0 is equal to 3x plus a into a square. Therefore 3x plus a into a square is equal to 0. 3x plus a equal to 0, since a square is not equal to 0. So therefore 3x plus a equal to 0. Therefore 3x is equal to minus a. Therefore x is equal to a divided by 3. So solve the equation. Solve for x. X is minus a by 3. The next problem, evaluate the determinant of that is determinant of 1x y 1 x plus y 1 x plus y. Evaluate this determinant. So let delta is equal to 1 x y 1 x plus y 1 x plus y. Applying operations, R1 changes to R2 minus R1 and R3 changes R3 minus R1. Therefore delta is equal to R1 elements as it is 1xy R2 minus R1 0, x plus y minus x becomes y, y minus y 0, R3 minus R1 0, x minus x 0, x plus y minus y, y minus y, y minus y cancellation x. In this determinants also principal diagonal elements below elements are zeros. Therefore, product the diagonal elements 1 into x into y. Therefore, the value of the determinant is xy. So, value of this determinant is xy. Okay, students, stop it here. So, we'll continue in next class.